Trying to graph this equation, I noticed that it's not really in standard form. And it's not really in that y equals form either. But it's close. I'm thinking, hey, if I move this thing over here and put it with the 4, and I move the y over here, it would say y equals. And I'd be able to set up a t-table and graph it. So let's kind of follow that plan. Let's add y to both sides. And let's add 2x to both sides. And now these y's will go away, and these 2x's will go away. I'm going to turn it around, so I'll say, okay, y equals, it's a little arrow, y equals negative 4p back 2 is negative 2x. So what I'm looking to do is I've got those two things in my mind. I've got the y equals form, or I've got standard form, and I'm trying to get it into one of those two so I can set up one of my strategies. And this one's pretty simple. I'll do 0, 1, and 2. I'll put 0 in for x, so I have negative 2 times 0. That's 0. Put 1 in for x, so I have negative 2 times 1. It's negative 2. I'll put 2 in for x, I'll have negative 2 times 2, and that's negative 4. So now I'll take my ordered pairs. I'll go 0, 0. I'll go 1 over, 2 down, and then I'll go 2 over, 4 down. I'll connect those with a straight line, and I'll be sure to put arrows on the end of it, and I've graphed that linear equation. If I look at lucky number 13 here, I think my strategy this time is, since I got both x and y, I'm going to move this over here and this over here, and then it'll end up being in standard form. That's ax plus by equals c. It's just that c will be nothing. So let's look at how that would play out. Let's take and subtract the y from both sides. And let's subtract 2x from both sides. All that stuff we learned last chapter is kind of coming together. So let's see. If I take a y away here, it's gone. If I take away 2x here, it's gone. Oh, and watch out. If I take a y away here, it's also gone. Let's rewrite. 5 minus 2x gives me 3x. There's nothing else left except for the equal sign and nothing on the other side. Okay, so let's divide by 3 on both sides. And what does that equal? Let's see, if I've got 0 pizza and I divide it among 3 of my friends, each person's going to, oh wait, 0. X is 0. Let's look at that in a t-table. Kind of lost my plan here, didn't I? But it says x is going to be 0 no matter what, so just fill those in. Just put some numbers on the other side because x is always 0. Okay, 0 over 1 up, 0 over 2 up, 0 over 3 up, 0 over 4 up. Connect those with a line. This line actually lies right on the y-axis. And again, this is one of our special cases. When we have an equation that states x or y equals something, I just put that something in every single case. And then I'm able to get some ordered pairs. Let's go ahead and look at the last one because they're supposed to be the hardest ones, and well, we haven't really been too challenged yet. Let's look at the strategy here. If I take this 3x and I got rid of it, I put it over here, then I'd have something x plus 4 equals y. I think I want to do that. Let me stop here for just a minute and say, hey, getting a strategy before you start moving things around. which form do you want to go to is really important. So this little thing where I'm thinking about what I want to move is really important to the success that I'm going to have once I move it. So let's just take and add 3x to both sides. And I'll put it with the x, of course. And I'll have, let's see, negative 2 plus 3 is 1x. Plus 4 is y. I thought this was a hard problem. I'll pick my 0, 1, and 2 because those are the easy ones. I'll just kind of ignore that 1 because it doesn't really have to be there, does it? It's kind of just a 1, but it's not really there. It's just x. So I'll put it in. I'll put in 0 for x. I'll say 0 plus 4. That's 4. Then I'll do 1 plus 4. That's 5. Let me know when this gets hard. 2 plus 4 is 6. So I'll graph 0 over 4 up. I'll graph 1 over 5 up. And I'll graph 2 over 6 up. I'll connect those with a straight line. And I'll make sure to put arrows on the end of it because it's infinite. And that's the worksheet.